Hi all, this is Surya, working in Dr.SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science as Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science Full Stack Web Development. Today we are going to see about software engineering in SDLC waterfall model. SDLC has different model design which have their advantages and disadvantages. Waterfall model is a traditional SDLC model which will be discussed in this chapter. It is straightforward and basic structure which can easily understandable by software developer and tester. It is the first model of SDLC to introduce the software development. The classical waterfall model, which is also known as the linear sequential lifecycle model, is an essential software development model which can be understandable from the structure itself. The model is straightforward yet idealistic. When this model was first introduced, it was very popular, but this time the new model has come up with the change in futures requirement, and hence it is used to dedicatedly less but still a popular one which everyone must know. All software has developed based on their model life cycle. It is a sequential model which strategy software development in two different phases. Each phase is designed with some unique functionality and use. The model was pioneered in the year 1970 by Winston Royce. What is waterfall model? The different chronological phases of waterfall model are now shown below, the interconnection between them. First one, the requirement gathering. Second one, design. Third one, build. Fourth one, integration and test. And development and maintenance. The various phases of waterfall model which are explained below: the requirement gathering stage and feasibility study, design stage, build stage, integration and test stage, deployment stage, maintenance stage. Requirement gathering stage and feasibility stage. This phase has purpose of establish whether it would be a monetarily as well as technically practicable to expand the development of software. This has the achievementally study with the understanding of problem as well as determine the diverse potential strategies used for solving the problem. Design stage. There is through study of entire requirement specification of the first phase, and then the system design is equipped. This phase helps developers to specify hardware as well as the system requirement, which ultimately helps the characterizing the system design as whole. Integration and test stage. This phase is also known as coding phase of the software development, where the idea is converted into the source code and UI plus UX design using programming language tools. Hence, every design module needs to be coded. Build stage. Once the coding of application is done, it is then integrated with all their other models with a different functionality during each step integration. Earlier planned modules are incorporated into the parts, including the structure of the software, and then the entire system is tested. Alpha testing. In the testing, the software is tested by the development team, the developers, and beta testing. That's testing the software is tested by the friendly customer, other target users who will use the beta versions of your product. Acceptance testing. Once the application has been distributed, the customer carries out the acceptance test for the determining the product should be accepted. As all the function as well as non-functional tests are completed, the software installation in the customer end of the environment or get released in the market. Maintenance stage. Another important phase of this model is maintenance stage and updating the product, patching any bugs and errors, and developing other essential components as per feedback to make this full software is done in this stage. It is of three types. Corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance where maintenance is done in the fixed error. Perfective maintenance. Perfective maintenance done where the maintenance is done to increase the efficiency of any system according to customer requirement. Adaptive maintenance. Adaptive maintenance is typically necessary for porting your application to new work environment, or porting from one type of OS to another. Thank you all.